Before the rise of empires. Before the pyramids touched the sky. There was Ahyra, the city kissed by the waters. A place where every tide was a blessing, and the people believed the sea would never abandon them. For generations, the waters gave without asking. Fish leapt into nets. Rain kissed the fields. And the breeze carried songs across every home. But then, the blessing turned to silence. The tides withdrew as if fleeing from man. The soil cracked under a merciless sun. And the people of Ahyra began to fear the sea they once loved. The elders searched the ancient scrolls. No prophecy spoke of such drought. No offering calmed the water's anger. And so, they chose one, Kael. For days, he rode into the shrinking waters. The oars groaned. The sun burned his back. And the nights whispered fears into his mind. Yet still, he pressed on. Then, at last, he saw it. A stone altar, older than Ahyra itself. Words no man alive could read, glowing like a heartbeat beneath the sea. He had no treasure to give. Only the cup his mother gave him as a boy. We have nothing left. But our hearts, he whispered. The heavens opened. The wells overflowed. The covenant renewed. The people danced in the rain. But Kael never returned. Some say the gods kept him as the sea's eternal guardian. Others believe he became the waves themselves. Don't forget to like, comment what you learnt from this video and subscribe for more ancient historical insights.